Welcome to Portugal, a land of beauty. This small yet diverse country is nestled in the southwestern corner of Europe, offering a unique blend of natural wonders and cultural treasures. This country is full of amazing places to see. From the rugged cliffs of the Algarve to the lush vineyards of the Douro Valley, Portugal's landscapes are as varied as they are breathtaking. From sunny beaches to green hills, there's something for everyone. Whether you're a sun-seeker looking to relax on golden sands, or an adventurer eager to hike through verdant hills, Portugal has it all. The scenery changes as you travel from north to south. In the north, you'll find the historic cities of Porto and Braga, with their rich architectural heritage. As you move south, the landscape transforms into rolling plains and picturesque coastal towns. The people are friendly, and the food is delicious. Portuguese cuisine is a delightful mix of fresh seafood, hearty meats, and flavorful spices. Don't miss trying the famous pastéis de nata, a sweet custard tart that will leave you craving more. Come explore Portugal with me. Wander through the narrow streets of Lisbon, where history and modernity blend seamlessly. Discover the medieval castles and palaces that dot the countryside, each with its own story to tell. Imagine warm sunshine and the sound of waves. The Atlantic Ocean provides a stunning backdrop to Portugal's coastal regions, where you can enjoy water sports, boat tours, or simply relax by the shore. Picture colorful villages nestled in rolling hills. These charming communities are filled with vibrant houses, cobblestone streets, and friendly locals who are always ready to share a smile and a story. Portugal is truly a feast for the senses. The aroma of freshly baked bread, the taste of fine wine, the sight of stunning landscapes, the sound of traditional fado music, and the feel of the warm sun on your skin all combine to create an unforgettable experience. Get ready for an unforgettable journey. Whether you're exploring ancient ruins, sampling local delicacies, or simply soaking in the natural beauty, Portugal promises memories that will last a lifetime. So pack your bags and join us on this incredible adventure through a land of beauty. Let me take you to the Algarve, famous for its beautiful beaches. The water here is crystal clear and perfect for swimming. The cliffs are dramatic and offer stunning views. You can explore hidden coves and sunbathe on golden sand. The Algarve is perfect for relaxing and soaking up the sun. Try fresh seafood at a beachside restaurant. Take a boat trip to see the caves and grottos. Truly, the Algarve is a paradise. Now let's visit Sintra, a magical place full of history and beauty. Visit the Pena Palace, a colorful palace on a hilltop. Explore the Quinta da Regaleira, a mysterious estate with enchanting gardens and hidden tunnels. Sintra is like stepping into a fairy tale. Walk through lush forests and discover hidden waterfalls. Enjoy the cool mountain air and the scent of pine trees. Sintra is a place that will capture your imagination. Our journey continues to the Douro Valley, a region renowned for its stunning terraced vineyards and world-famous port wine. Here, in the heart of Portugal, port wine is made with a tradition that dates back centuries. The vineyards are planted on steep slopes, creating a breathtaking landscape that is both a marvel of human ingenuity and natural beauty. These terraces, carved into the hillsides, allow the vines to thrive in the unique microclimate of the region. Take a river cruise along the Douro River and admire the stunning views that unfold around every bend. The river, winding through the valley, offers a serene and picturesque way to experience the beauty of the region. Visit a winery and taste the famous port wine, a rich and flavorful drink that has been perfected over generations. Each sip tells a story of the land, the climate, and the dedication of the winemakers. The Douro Valley is a feast for the eyes and the palate. The scenic beauty of the vineyards, combined with the exquisite taste of the wine, creates an unforgettable sensory experience. Enjoy the peace and quiet of the countryside, where the only sounds are the gentle rustling of leaves and the distant murmur of the river. This tranquil setting is perfect for relaxation and reflection. Learn about the winemaking process from the locals, who are always eager to share their knowledge and passion. Discover the traditional methods that have been passed down through generations, and see firsthand how the grapes are transformed into liquid gold. The Douro Valley is an experience you won't forget. From the stunning landscapes to the rich cultural heritage, every moment spent here is a memory in the making. Whether you're a wine enthusiast or simply a lover of beautiful places, the Douro Valley has something to offer everyone. Section 5. Azores, Volcanic Landscapes and Oceanic Wonders. The Azores are a group of islands in the Atlantic Ocean, known for their volcanic craters, lush vegetation, and, let's not forget, whale watching. These islands are a hidden gem, offering a unique blend of natural beauty and adventure. The volcanic craters, some of which are now serene lakes, are surrounded by lush green vegetation that creates a stunning contrast against the dark volcanic rock. This unique landscape is a testament to the powerful geological forces that have shaped the islands over millions of years. Whether you hike to a crater lake or relax in a natural hot spring, the Azores are a paradise for nature lovers. The hiking trails here are some of the best in the world, offering breathtaking views of the volcanic landscapes in the Atlantic Ocean. As you trek through the lush forests and up the steep slopes of the craters, you'll be rewarded with panoramic views that are simply unforgettable. And after a long day of hiking, there's nothing better than soaking in a natural hot spring, letting the warm, mineral-rich waters soothe your tired muscles. You can spot whales and dolphins in the wild, explore lava tubes and caves, and truly experience the power and beauty of nature in the Azores. Whale watching is a must-do activity here, as the waters around the islands are home to a diverse array of marine life. From the majestic sperm whales to playful dolphins, you'll have the chance to see these incredible creatures up close. And for those who love to explore, the lava tubes and caves offer a fascinating glimpse into the island's volcanic past. These underground passages formed by flowing lava are a testament to the island's fiery origins and provide a unique adventure for those willing to venture into the depths. The Azores truly offer a diverse range of experiences, making it a perfect destination for anyone looking to connect with nature and explore the wonders of our planet. Section 6. Madeira, the floating garden of the Atlantic. Madeira is an island renowned for its flowers and levadas, or irrigation channels. Take a walk along a levada and enjoy the stunning views. Don't miss visiting the botanical gardens to admire the colorful flowers. Madeira is a paradise for hikers and nature enthusiasts. Enjoy the mild climate and the fresh air. Taste the local wine and food. Indeed, Madeira is a true gem in the Atlantic. Section 7. Gerry's National Park, Untamed Wilderness in the North. Gerry's National Park is a place of rugged beauty. Hike through forests, swim in waterfalls, and spot wildlife. Visit traditional villages and experience rural life in Portugal. Gerry's is perfect for escaping the crowds and connecting with nature. Breathe in the fresh air and enjoy the peace and quiet. Discover hidden waterfalls and ancient ruins. Gerry's is a true adventure. Lisbon is the capital of Portugal and a city full of history and culture. Explore the Alfama district with its narrow streets and traditional houses. Take a ride on the famous yellow tram. Lisbon is a city that has something for everyone. Enjoy the vibrant nightlife and the delicious food. Visit museums, palaces, and monuments. Lisbon is a city you'll want to visit again and again. Porto is a charming city known for its bridges and port wine. Take a walk across the Dom Luís I Bridge for stunning views. Visit a port wine cellar and learn about the winemaking process. Porto is a city with a unique character. Explore the Ribeira district with its colorful houses and narrow streets. Enjoy the local cuisine and the friendly atmosphere. Porto is a city that will steal your heart. Évora is a historic city with Roman ruins and a well-preserved medieval center. Visit the Roman Temple, a testament to Portugal's Roman past. Explore the narrow streets and admire the whitewashed houses. Évora is a city where history comes alive. Visit the Capela dos Ossos, a chapel decorated with human bones. Enjoy the peace and quiet of this charming city. Évora is a journey back in time. Portugal is a country full of amazing places to see and experience. From the beaches of the Algarve to the mountains of Gerry's, there's something for everyone. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your Portuguese adventure today. What other amazing places in Portugal would you like to learn about? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips and inspiration.